Yeah, you're not in it.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Make it right here. Yeah, this is a portfolio for you, Micah. Yeah, 2 minutes. And then it's gonna be the first one, make a left. We'll come out on the second one.
Okay.
Turn left here, follow this one. Oh, there's Christopher V, the red rojo and chocolate atlas. Yeah. And Janae. Oh, no, that's Sean. Oh, that's that. Annie, Cat, yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's Christopher. Brian Stalker, Derek Vergaren now, because Derek left. They're both gone with Jacqueline. Oh, that's the Odyssey also. No, that's Stephanie's Civic. And that's Sarah with the diaper. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the new version of the last time there was no orange strap. Okay, left here still. This is what I was talking about earlier when you were at my house. Me is because of the garage door. And then that's me with the fountain. Also with the Andrea and the coast. Oh, the Rojos changed. Okay, right here. Yeah. Oh, they added the window. Yeah. That's Juan. Yeah. Yeah. And with Micah, and then oh wow, they changed everything. Okay, that's Rojo. There's Riley, and that's the Micah with the window too. Yep. And then go straight all the way to stop and make a left. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Then left. Short one. Yeah. Woohoo! Easy it is. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that kind of yeah.